Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart English with Miss Bushra with another moral story of another series. The kindness of the pigeon. As you can see, there's a proud aunt and a cute little pigeon. Let's get it started. The proud aunt. In a sunny meadow there lived a little ant who thought he was better than everyone else. He often pushed other insects aside and never said thank you. The fall. One hot afternoon, the ant went to the stream for a drink. As he leaned over, he slipped and fell into the water. He couldn't swim and began to panic. The pigeons helped. A pigeon sitting on a tree nearby saw the ant struggling. Without hesitation, the pigeon plucked a leaf and dropped it into the stream. The rescue! The ant climbed onto the leaf and floated safely to the shore. He looked up at the pigeon, grateful and humbled. A changed heart. From that on day, the ant became kind to everyone. He helped others, said thank you, and remembered the pigeon's kindness forever. So, students, what we have learned today, what is the moral and conclusion of whole this story? It's all about kindness is a gift that always returns. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves those who help others. Kindness is a virtue that's highly valued in our culture. As the Quran says, be kind to others, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be kind to you. Sharing kindness can brighten someone's day, just like a smile can light up a whole street. Being kind means treating others with compassion and respect, just like you also want that people will treat you. Kindness can be simple and it holds a most powerful and powerful value in others' heart. Let's spread kindness in our society and share peace and love to all the people around us. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay connected, keep sharing and liking my videos. I'm receiving a lot of love from all of you. Keep subscribing to my channel Smart English with Miss Bushra. See you all into the next video. Stay tuned, stay happy. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.